Every story deserves a cover that speaks volumes. Imagine transforming your story's first impression from bland to brilliant. Introducing the ultimate book cover software for both paperback and ebooks, where creativity meets convenience. Choose from a wide array of stunning templates. Customize with ease, no design experience necessary. Watch as your cover transforms before your eyes, ready to captivate readers and stand out on any shelf or screen. Transform your story today. Create a cover that your book deserves. With our book cover software, you're not just creating a cover, you're crafting an experience. You're the artist, and your book cover is your canvas. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a novice storyteller, our software is designed to suit your needs. From a dramatic thriller to a heartfelt memoir, your book's genre and tone will shine through. You can experiment with different styles, play with colors, and add personalized elements that give a unique touch to your cover. And the best part? You can do all this right from your home. No need for costly design services or lengthy waiting times. The power to transform your story is in your hands. Click the link in the description to get access to our book cover software. Transform your story today.